learners, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn about some number names. So are you all ready? Are you all excited to learn about number names? We'll go from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. ONE 1, TWO 2. First, let us learn about some colors name. We have so many different colors. This is light blue color, this is dark pink color, this is brown color, this is dark blue color, this is red color, this one is orange color, this is light green color, this is violet color, this is light pink color, and we have dark green color. Now we are going to trace all the number names. First is number 1 and its spelling is ONE 1. Repeat after me. 1 ONE 1. Very nice. Then we have number 2 with dark pink color. TWO 2. TWO 2. Then we have number 3 with brown color. THRE. And then again E. It's 3. Number 3. Then we have our next number, that is number 4 with orange color. FOUR 4. Number 4. Repeat after me. Number 4. Then we have number 5. That's FIVE 5. FIVE 5. Give me high five. Then we have number 6 with dark blue color. SIX 6. SIX 6. Then we have number 7 with the red color. SEVEN 7. Then we have next number, that is number 8. Number 8. EIGHT 8. Number 8. Then we have number 9 with light pink color. NINE 9. And I hope you all are fine. Then we have the last number, that is number 10, and its spelling is TEN 10. Yay, we did it. It looks so amazing. We have done it from number 1 to 10. ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10. Today we are going to trace some number names from 10 to 50. Let's start with the colors. This is red color, this is violet color, this is dark blue color, this is dark pink color, and this is dark green color. Let us start with the number names now. This is number 10. Number 10. And its spelling is TEN 10. Number 10. Then comes number 20. 2, 0, 20. T, W, E, N, T, Y, 20. Number 20. Then comes number 30. 3, 0, 30. T, H, I, R, T, Y, 30. Then comes 40. 40, 40. 40, 40. F, O, R, T, Y, 40. Then comes number 50. 50, 50. 5, 0, 50. F, T, Y, 50. Number 50. 10 is TEN 10. 20 is TWENTY 20. 30 THIRTY 30. 40 FORTY 40. 50 FIFTY 50. Today we are going to write number names from 60 to 100. From 60 to 100. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. This is dark blue color. This is brown color. This is dark green color. This is red color. And this is pink color. Let's start with our first number. That is number 60. 60, 60. 60.
60.
Its spelling is S I X T Y. SIXTY 60. Next number is
70.
70. 7 0.
70.
Yes, its spelling is SEVENTY. 70. 70. Then we have next number, that is 80.
80.
80.
80.
80. 80. Its spelling is E
I
I
G
G
H
H
T
T
Y.
Y. 80. EIGHTY 80. Then we have 90.
90.
90.
90.
90. N I N E T
T
Y. 90.
90.
Then we have our next number, that is 100.
100.
1
1
0
0
and again 0.
0. 100.
100. HUNND
D
RED.
R E D
100.
100.
HUNDRED 100. 60. SIXTY 60. 70. SEVENTY 70. 80. EIGHTY 80. 90. NINETY 90. then 100, HUND are reading 100. Very nice. You all keep practicing so that you will learn it. And thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.